Wanted to go over my shotgun loadout here, and this loadout is basically a Sears and Roebuck shotgun. I got the wood furniture on there, put a side saddle, 6 rounds. The shotgun itself holds 5 rounds. I tack welded a Mossberg heat shield on it and threw a Viz front sight on there. Put a sling, 1-point sling now, rubber buttstock with this tourniquet here, more shells in here. It just wraps around like that. Sling, 1 point, like I said, and then I coupled that with the SOE. This is their cop rig, but I have shot shells on the front. It will hold magazines, 3 mags. So if you are running a dual weapon system, you can have that. And then I put the H harness on there, attach that, ATAX Ghost, just to give it some stability. So far, I like it. It's good, just for the truck. So, thanks for tuning in. Out.